How to change currency on Steam. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change currency on Steam. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, log in into Steam, and once you're here, navigate to your profile at the top right corner and click on it. From here, head towards the account details. So once you're under account details, here you have student purchase history. Under that there is an option as update store or country. If you have moved to a different country, you may be able to update your Steam wallet and how you view the Steam store. So in order to change your currency, you can click on update store country. So once you land on this interface, here you can see it says your country is part of your Steam account settings. Your country setting affects what you see in Steam store, the currency you see prices in, and the currency of your wallet. So if you have moved to a new country or are living abroad for an extended period of time, you can update your Steam country settings when you complete your first purchase using a payment method from that country. If your location differs from your current Steam account store country setting, you will have an option to change your store region while you view your card or as you complete your purchase. So in order to change currency, what you can do is while you make your first purchase using a payment method from that country, so in that case you can change your currency as well, or you will also have an option to change your store while you view your card or as you complete your purchase. So in that way you can change your currency on Steam. But if you're unable to complete a purchase using a payment method from that region that you have moved, then in that case you have to contact to the Steam support. So click on contact Steam support, and here scroll down and click on contact Steam support. Now here you can provide your issue and say that you were not able to change your country or currency during the checkout or the purchase process. After that, click on send. Then Steam will help you change your country as well as your currency. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.